In today's video, I'll show you how to use a random MAC address on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So simply go into settings, and then under settings you want to tap on Wi-Fi, and then to the Wi-Fi network that is currently connected you can tap on it like that. And then as you can see, I'm currently using a randomized MAC address, and for this setting to apply I simply have to scroll all the way down and tap on privacy. And instead of using the device MAC, I simply have to select the use randomized MAC address, which is selected by default. Now to do that for a Wi-Fi network that is saved but not connected to my phone, simply go back to the Wi-Fi page and tap on the three dots and then select more settings. Under more settings, tap on saved networks. Then you want to tap on that saved network that you want to use a random MAC address for. Scroll down as well and tap on privacy and do the same thing. That's basically how to use a random or a randomized Wi-Fi MAC address on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.